Hey guys, Jeff here, and today I wanted to share with you the package that Beer Can Bushcraft sent for his challenge lock Easy Bird. He included a little tool for turning plastic bottles into cordage, and it looks like he made that himself. I will definitely have fun with that later. He included some sort of additional lock in here, which I was not expecting, along with that little tool. What do we got? What do we got? Looks to be a nice shiny Yale. 2, 4, 6 pins, and that'll be fun. But our main attraction for today, as long as the battery holds out, and if not, I will have to piece some together, is Easy Bird. This packaging nice to pass on to Chris Capoon, who will be receiving this next. Very well packaged, nice and safe. Man, I love this old digital camera, but these batteries of mine are just holding a charge less and less. I think I know what I need to ask my wife for Father's Day. I really don't want a new camera, but definitely need some new batteries. So, where we were. I had gotten out Easy Bird, and got the book and the key here. So since the key's in there, I guess I won't look in there yet. I want to see how this goes. When I was emailing with him, because this took a long time to get here, thanks to all of the various issues with the UK mail system. I know there's a strike, there's a cyber attack, but so reminded me it's called Easy Bird. So we're going to give a try at picking this, and just for kicks, let's see what we can do for time on it. Since it comes from across the pond, we'll go their way. Ooh, number one, that has a lot of slop in it with the tension wrench, but number two, that core is also slopping around, which makes me wonder already about what's been done to it. I think I'm just going to go with that one. Alright, I think there's room, so I'm just going to start with the old homemade one. One feels tight and binding possibly set. A lot of responsiveness. I could just be bumping my own tension wrench right now. Back to the front. I'm getting a lot of feedback, but I don't feel like anyone's set yet. There's a click. 3, 4. I realize this is less talking than I usually give during a video. Let's try changing to a higher hook there. So maybe we've got some high set stuff going on here. That is usually my biggest problem, is trying to do everything with a hook that is too short. Yeah, it felt like that went forever, but then finally a click. Ooh. I always like the rattle check. And I've got some stuff set. Something's talking to me. I think that's 1. Is 1 really that high? If I overset. Let's check the others. It feels like I'm just hanging up on maybe 1. Not necessarily number 1, but just 1 pin maybe. there in the back. Is that 4 maybe? I really need to get better at keeping track of where I am. Oof. Whatever it was, it doesn't want to go. Do I reset it? Alright, we're back again. I paused the time and the battery died. Let's see what we can do. Dropping a bunch because something needed set high, so let's see if that gave me some progress or not. Something's not feeling right. Has he got some overset traps on some of these key pins, maybe? Or am I just that close? I'm going to switch back over to Old Faithful here. Just to get through and see what I'm feeling. There's some counter, I think. Alright. Well, that's not working. So let's attack it the American way then. Flipping it over so the pins are back in the top. Go with a Sparrow's Heavy Bar, the mid-range one here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I feel like I'm getting more feedback this way. 1, 2. It's always interesting how much of a difference pins up versus pins down, top of the keyway, bottom of the keyway can make. Oh yeah, definitely feeling a lot more feedback on it now. Let's go back in with that long hook. Lining up my tension a little bit. Some false sets, counter rotation. I'm going to do the shake test again. Does not sound or feel like I've got as many as I'd like. It's really high set on, I think, 2. We definitely got some serious spool type stuff going on here, because I'm getting all sorts of counter rotation and false sets here. Lining up my tension even more just in case that's what's going on at all. tonight is not looking to be my night with this. So I guess I'm not going to get an out of the pack pick on old Easy Bird here. Easy Bird is not faring so easy for me, it seems. Keep feeling like I'm getting clicks. I'm definitely getting counter rotation and false sets. That tension wrench is back and forth, but I tell you, it's been a stressful day at the Jeff and Things household. Just all sorts of stuff going wrong, Murphy's Law and all that. And so, on one hand, I'm happy to try to relax and pick away, but on the other hand, you bring that stress with you. You don't always... Things that would be easy otherwise might not be so easy now. I also see I only have about a minute left on my record time. I was hoping to get an out of the pack pick on this thing, but apparently I'm gonna have to spend some time with it to get an open. Unless it's just gonna click into place here all of a sudden. Alright, we're calling that. That is not happening as an out of pack pick, but I will spend some time with Easy Bird, and I'll be back with you guys. Alright guys, I am back, and clearly I should have opened the book first because the instructions from Beer Can Bushcraft: receive the package and do an unboxing video. We did that. Open an Easy Bird in under 4 minutes 10 seconds. Well, I am back because I finally did it. I don't know if you can read that. That's 42 minutes 53 seconds for me. I had to pull out my inserts, not just my vise, but the vise wouldn't hold. I had to pull out my inserts, which I hadn't used before. And even after running around through all of my tensioners, I did find that the old Allen wrench top of the keyway was finally the best. But my bigger problem was that my go-to picks weren't doing it at all. I was only finally able to get it with... Can we get a focus there? The Sparrow's monkey paw. So I'm going to give this a little more time, do another video, see if I can get this in under 4 minutes 10 seconds, and then I'll be back with you guys. And at that point, I will get this thing sent off to Chris Capoon. Thanks, y'all. Alright guys, I am back one more time. I have spent another hour plus over quite a while working on this thing, and as you can see, I've got into a lovely false set again, but I have not even picked it open a second time off camera with practice. I will say my monkey paw is definitely giving me better feedback than my usual pointed type hooks. They've all come out as I've been working through this, with these three getting most of the attention before I got that first open. But I mean, the monkey paw was what got me the one and only open. So I guess I can't really contribute about why Easy Bird is so easy. Chris Capoon, this is coming off to you. Hopefully you have better luck than me and you can tell us why it's so easy. Beer Can Bushcraft, thank you for the opportunity. If I had to guess, I'm going to say it's easy because it's got such great feedback from all of the pins and the mods. Like, I feel a lot of clicks, I feel a lot of counter rotation, but I just can't interpret it all the way I need to. So, Chris Capoon, good luck. Beer Can Bushcraft, thanks for the opportunity. And for the rest of you, thanks for coming along for the ride.